Hi friends, it's teacher Erika. Today we're going to practice some drawing and then we're going to tell some stories. We're going to practice drawing some vehicles. That means things that can take us to one place or another. So we've done this before. I'm going to draw and you are going to copy what I draw. The first vehicle that we're going to draw is a car. The main shape of a car can be called the car's body. It's not really like an animal or a person's body, but it's kind of like that. You can draw a shape like that for the car's body. Now the car also has wheels. So from this side we can see two wheels that are the shapes of circles. Now I don't really like how this line goes through my wheel, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to color the whole thing in with my pencil. Yeah, there. Now my car has two wheels. I'm also going to draw some windows so that the people or the characters inside can look out. There's my car. Now, I might also want to draw a bus because a lot of people might want to go somewhere together. And a bus is going to be kind of the same. It's going to be a little longer. So I'm going to draw the shape kind of like that for the body of the bus. It's also going to have some wheels. So I'm going to draw a circle and a circle. And again, I'm going to color them in. The bus has a lot of windows. So I'm going to draw some rectangles here for my windows. My car had two windows, but my bus has 1, 2, 3, 4 windows. If you want to pause the video so you can practice drawing these, you can. Cars and buses are vehicles that drive on land. There's other vehicles that drive on land too, like bikes or motorcycles or trains. And you can try drawing those too. But now we're going to draw a vehicle that goes on the water because you might want to have a story that has an adventure on the water. So we're going to try drawing a sailboat. A sailboat is going to start with a half of a circle called a semicircle. So we can draw a line and then a curve that goes down. Now, coming up from that semicircle, there's going to be a tall line on my boat. And it's going to have some sails because this is going to be a sailboat. So I'm going to draw a line there and there to make a triangle for a sail, and then a little bit smaller triangle on that side. My sailboat has two triangles as sails. It's ready to travel on the ocean. You could draw other boats. They don't all have to be sailboats. There's other kinds of boats that you could draw. You could also draw vehicles that go in the air, like an airplane or a hot air balloon or a rocket ship. We're going to try drawing a rocket ship. My rocket ship is going to be long and skinny because it has to go fast. So we can draw a shape like that to start our rocket ship. And a couple of wings. The wings can be different shapes. Those are the shapes of my wings. I'm going to draw a window so the astronauts can see out. My window is the shape of a circle. And then I'm going to draw a couple of doors so the astronauts can get in and out of the rocket ship. My doors are going to be squares. And since my rocket is traveling right now, it's making a lot of flames behind it because it's going so fast. So I'm going to draw, some flames going behind it. So you can pause if you want to practice drawing the rocket ship. Now you've had some practice drawing some vehicles. Those vehicles would be great for taking characters on a journey. In TK, we practice a lot of drawing, but more importantly, we practice making stories. So you can make up a story about a journey. Maybe your character takes a car or a bus or a sailboat or a rocket ship or any other vehicle, and they go on a journey. When you draw your story, I'd like you to draw your vehicle really large, because then you can add a lot of detail and you can even draw your characters inside. Also, you could add color. We just use pencil, but you could use colored pencil or crayon or markers or oil pastel or watercolor to add color to your drawing. And after you finish drawing your vehicle with your characters going somewhere, you could make a whole nother picture of where they go. I bet that would be really interesting. I think you're going to be able to use these drawings to create some really interesting stories.